Ramogi machiegni e weche manyien ma kangi kacha nyinga en George Bati opingo koro wuok e lwet Boniface Mwangi kendo en sigana ma kawuono ni omako piny Kenya ka oganda mathoth nyose bedo ka golo ng'ur maka kod kacha ewi kaka piny Tanzania notimore gi moko kuom jokedo ma jokedo ne ratich oganda mawuok e piny Kenya ka sirikal bende jokone gitimo gik duto manyalore mar ng'eyo chal mar Boniface Mwangi koro ni to we thuolo gi tend piny Tanzania kendo en nie ndege makele Nairobi bang' ne we kaunti ma Kwale. Wawere kod mano Ogai mar ODM Raila Odinga ojiwo Senetas mondo mi okaw ting' margi makare mar neno ni loch gwenge ok obedo kod ng'ikruok. Raila loso bang' romo gi Senetas mane gilalore godo ewi yore mag bero loch gwenge. Ojiwo gi mondo gimakre kanyakla gi od bura mamalo e tego loch gwenge kendo neno ni omenda mag dongruok ochopo moromo e kor gwenge ma pacho ka.
Important is to have a governance structure that works. Parliament is one of the three institutions of governance in our country. The executive, the legislature, the judiciary, and the others. Parliament represents the people, and Parliament makes the laws of the country. And Parliament also allocates resources in our country under the new constitutional dispensation. Senate need to play its role, just as the National Assembly also has its role to play. You know, we have got countries with a similar constitutional structure, and it works very well. So we'd like to see our Senate work just like the Senate of the United States of America is working, and give it proper powers and responsibilities. The same thing. So the National Assembly has also its sphere, and we say the National Assembly should do its work. And together, both National Assembly and the Senate form the Parliament. And the Parliament's role is to represent, to legislate, and to oversight. The three functions are very important. The executive uses the laws that are passed by Parliament to govern the country, and judiciary interprets it. This is how we want it to be.